Hello and welcome to just a quick episode of Laptop Retrospective, and today I actually wanted to talk a little bit about a piece of tech that I think that if you are doing any sort of computer work is good to have in your kit. And this one in particular comes from StarTech. So they're a company that makes lots and lots of cables based out of, I believe, Ontario in Canada. And they generally make some pretty good products and have a decent warranty as well. So there are a lot of cables that do this from many other companies, but one that is managed locally and provides a warranty is also a plus. Anyway, what this actually is it allows the connection of 2.5-inch SATA drive bays to USB 3.0. So there has been time and time again where someone has asked me, look, my computer's not working, that's not the important part. What's really important is that the presentation that I've got on my computer that I need for tomorrow. I worked on it all night and I saved it and everything was great. And then for whatever reason, it didn't get copied over to a USB drive or whatever, and they need that data recovered yesterday. So it's very, very straightforward. You take your 2.5-inch drive, you take this, you plug it in, like so. And then you go ahead and you take your USB 3.0 end and then you stuff it into the computer. We can see our file system up here. Turns out that this was the USB port to use, and we can see everything just the way that we would anticipate. So looks like this is the port to use, not the two down here. Maybe they're 1.0, not sure. Also did a restart for good measure and everything is working swimmingly. So I can confirm that this pretty much works with every single OS out there without any driver support whatsoever. Alright, so we've hauled over the Surface Book 2, and let's go ahead and plug in our drive and see if we get it to recognize it. That's a promising sound. Alright, so it looks like it detected that drive, no problem. Local disk E, there it is. This is a really handy piece of kit for doing some very fast file recovery, so long as the hard drive is still good. And it is certainly worth picking up. If you are curious to know where to get something like this, I'll leave some links in the description down below. And yeah, thank you very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.